In the heart of the tropical country, life takes on a new energy after the rain. The air is thick with humidity, and the ground glimmers with moisture. After every downpour, a transformation begins. And the tiny inhabitants of the forest come to life. Leaf-eating caterpillars appear, eagerly munching on the lush foliage and leaving behind clear signs of their feast. One of the first signs of life reawakening. In the tropical country after the rain is the activity of leaf-eating insects. Did you know? The bright colors of some caterpillars are not just for show, but serve as a warning to predators. I'm dangerous, stay away. Its sharp bristles are not just for looks. They can cause pain to any animal or human that tries to touch it. The rainforest may be full of beauty, but it's also full of danger. This is one of the most common species of caterpillars after the rain. These hungry eaters can turn a healthy green leaf into a skeleton in just a few hours. They can eat and eat slowly and slowly, one part at a time. Slowly and slowly enjoying their meals. For example, a spiny caterpillar can be quite dangerous to touch, causing pain to both humans and other animals. These bite marks tell a story of survival and feast. Among the most voracious of these creatures are the leaf-eating caterpillars. Caterpillars emerge in large number, drawn to the fresh, tender leaves soaked by the rains. Caterpillars and other insects play an important role in tropical ecosystems. While they may damage plants, they also provide essential food for many other creatures, maintaining the balance of nature. With their insatiable appetites, they can devour entire sections of the rainforest canopy, turning healthy green leaves into delicate skeletons in just hours. Remember, though small and sometimes seen as pests, insects are an essential part of nature. After each rain, their lives begin a new chapter. They feed on the plants, but in turn, they provide food for countless other creatures, from birds to small mammals. Have you ever seen these leaf-eating insects in the wild? Not all caterpillars hide in plain sight. Some, like this brightly colored one, wear their colors boldly. These vibrant patterns aren't just for show. They serve as a warning to potential predators. I'm dangerous, stay away. As the cycle of rain begins again, these caterpillars, so small yet so important, continue their journey. Each storm brings new life, new growth, and another opportunity for these creatures to thrive. So next time you see a small, hungry insect, remember its role in the world. It's not just a leaf eater. It's part of a larger, incredible web of life. Here, in the world, every creature, no matter how tiny, has its place. Nature is full of wonders, and the world of insects is just one of them. After each tropical rain, a new chapter begins, and these leaf-eating creatures are ready to play their part once again. if you enjoyed exploring this fascinating world of tropical insects. Make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more incredible nature stories. There's always something new to discover in the wild. Until next time, enjoy your precious time with family and friends. Have you ever seen these leaf-eating insects in the wild? Share your experience in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.